How are you all today? Yes, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Yes? Yes, fine. Okay, Dharani, good. What about others? Dharani, good? Are you all good? Okay, superb children. Yes. And okay, good children. Yes. So this is going to be our English class. Pragalpa, good. Janani, yes. Okay, so this is going to be our English class. Today we are going to learn classwork notes. We are going to learn classwork notes for the lesson 4. For the lesson 4. Okay, Nandika, good. So what is the name of the lesson? What is the name of the lesson, children? Can you all remember that? What is the name of the lesson 4? People who help us, right? This is the name of the lesson. People who help us. So we are going to learn first 4 Roman letters in the classwork notes today. And then we are going to do a Google form test. Okay, so we are going to do that on grammar topics. Okay, children, shall we do? Okay, so first we'll start with the recap of the lesson. Okay, Dharani, good. So first we'll do a short recap on this lesson. So what is this lesson about, children? What is this lesson about? This lesson is about a girl. What's the name of that girl? Can you remember that? What is the name of the girl in this lesson? And which standard she is studying? Aditi, good. You have to write in capital letter. The first letter should be capital, right? Yes, Aditi. Yes, very good. Super children. The name of the child is Aditi and good children. Yes. And she wanted to thank the persons who are all helping her in her life, right? She wanted to make a thank you card for the persons who are all helping her in her life, right? Yes. So what is the name of that maid? What is the name of the maid in her house? You can say in the see on the screen itself, right? What is the name of the maid? Kamla. Yes, Sai Lakshmi. Good. Dharini. Yes, Kamla. Yes, Divashnavi. Good. Yes. Superb children. So these are the 2 persons she wanted to give the thank you card, right? Okay. And only these persons are helping us, isn't? No, right? So there are many people who are all helping us. So now ma'am is going to tell the name. I'm not going to tell the name. I'm going to tell the profession of a person, and you are going to tell the name of that person in this lesson. Okay? Yes? Shall we start? Okay. The first one. The person here is a postman. What is the name of the postman in this lesson? What is the name of the postman in this lesson, children? What is his name? Aditya Dev. Superb. Yes, very good. Aditya. A should be in capital. Don't forget that. Right? Mr. Aditya Dev. Right? He's a postman. Right? So he works in post office and he delivers letters and packages. Right? Superb. All are answering. Very good. Superb. I'm asking. Good. Aditya. Mr. Aditya Dev is a postman. You have to remember all the names also. Okay? Yes. And next comes, who is he? Who is he, children? He is a tailor, right? And what is his name? Ojashvi. Good. Mr. Shahid Hassan, right? Okay, say it loudly. What is his name? Mr. Shahid Hassan, right? Superb. Superb, children. Good. You all are remember. Good. And next, Shahid Hassan, right? Good, Janani. Yes. And next, we move on to the doctor. What is her name? What is her name, children? Yes, Dr. Sanjana Shah. What is her name? Say it aloud. Dr. Sanjana Shah, right? She works in a hospital. She'll be treating all the sick patients, right? Yes? Yes, Janani. Dr. Sanjana Shah is the name of the doctor in this lesson, right? Okay. And who is the next person? Let me check. Who will be the next person here in this lesson after the doctor? Carpenter, Mithun, superb. Yes, superb, dears. Yes, Divashnavi, good. Very good. You all have a good memory. Superb. Good. The next person is a carpenter, right? The name of the carpenter is Mr. Ram Charan, right? Ram Charan. Yes. He makes tables and chairs, right? Yes, he is a carpenter. Good. Mr. Ram Charan. Superb, children. Yes. And who comes next? Policeman. Superb. Yes. So next comes a policeman. What is his name? His name is Mr. Alex Roy, right? So the name of the policeman in this lesson is Mr. Alex Roy, right? His job is to keep the city safe, right? Super. Yes. And next comes, who is she? Who is she? She's a teacher, right? What is her name? What is her name? Miss? Say it loudly. What is her name? Aditi Prakash, right? The name of the teacher is Aditi Prakash. Miss Aditi Prakash, right? She's a teacher. She works in the school, right? She works in a school. Okay. Okay. So these are the persons. These are the people who will be helping us in our life, right? So we have to not only Aditi, like Aditi, we have to thank all the people who are helping in our life, right? Yes, we have to thank them and we have to give. What do you have to give? Respect, right? We have to thank and we have to give respect to them. Okay, children? Yes? Okay. And now we are going to see the dictation words now. We are going to learn dictation words on this lesson. Are you all ready? Yes? Shall we learn? Sit tight, everyone. So you are going to repeat after ma'am. You are going to learn the spellings in this class itself, right? Yes? Okay. So what is the first Roman letter here? Is dictation words. And the first word, what is that? Yes, how you have to read this? Delivers. Delivers. What is that? Delivers. 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 So who delivers letter, children? Who delivers letters? Postman. Right? Who delivers letters? Postman, right? Okay. So delivers means to take and give. So he takes all the letters from the post office and he delivers to the respective person, right? Okay. So delivers. Spelling for that is D-E-L-I-V-E-R-S. Delivers. Delivers. If you split the word, you can memorize the spelling easily. Delivers. Delivers, right? And the next word. What is the next word? How we have to split this word? Yes, we are going to split here. Packages. 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 Say it loudly. You have to repeat after ma'am. Yes, very good, Dharni. Yes, packages. So we have to split packages. Pack. P-A-C-K is pack. Ages. A-G-E-S. When it comes together, we'll say packages, right? So packages means what? So a box or the container, you will keep all the things inside and it will be packed, right? Yes, packages. Okay, the spelling for packages is P-A-C-K, pack, A-G-E-S, packages, right? And the next word, what is that? What is the next word? Yes, how we are going to break this word? Courier. 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 C-O-U-R. C-E-R. Courier. Courier. So courier is the fast mail delivery system, right? Courier is the fast mail delivery system, right? So C-O-U-R. C-E-R. Courier. Right? Okay. And the next word, what is that? Very easy word, isn't it? Yes? I want all my children to say email. Email, right? Email. Email. So if a message sent through the internet, we call as email, right? Email, email, M-A-I-L, mail, right? Okay, and the next word, what is that? What is the next word? How we have to split this word? Material, material. How you have to split this word? M-A-T-E-R-I-A-L, material, material, right? You have to read the word like this, material, M-A-T-E-R-I-A-L, material, right? Yes, very good, Dani. Superb. Like this only, you have to split that word. Okay. So let's recap the words again. Say the words again. So first word, what is that? You have to split the word and read. Okay. Delivers. Delivers. The first word is delivers. Delivers. And the next word, I want all my children to read. Right? Packages. 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 Right? And the third word, courier. 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 Right? And the next word, email. Email. And the last word, what is that? Material. 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 Right? Okay. Shall we move on to the sixth word, children? Are you all ready? Yes? Okay. Let's see the sixth word. What is that? Examines. 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 Repeat after ma'am. Examines. Examines. Right? Examines what? To check. Right? Doctors will be examining you before giving treatments, isn't it? So examines. Examines. Right? Okay. And the seventh one, what is that? Very good, Dani. Yes. Examines. Examines. Good. And the seventh word, what is that? Occupation. Occupation. If you split, it will be easy for you to memorize the spelling, right? Occupation. Occupation, right? O-C-C-U-P-A-T-I-O-N. Occupation. Occupation. That's job, right? Occupation. Good. And the eighth word, what is that? How you have to split this word to make it simple? Yes, hammer. Hammer. H-A-M. Ham. M-E-R. Hammer. Hammer. Who is using hammer? Who uses hammer, children? Yes, who uses hammer? In this lesson? Carpenter. Very good, Kanitra. Yes, carpenter. Tivashnavi Sai. Good. Carpenter uses hammer, right? Super. Mithun, good. So, hammer. Hammer, right? And the next word, what is that? T-R-A-F. Traffic. Traffic, right? Dharani? T-R-A-F. Traf. F-I-C. Fic. Traffic, right? Say it aloud. Traffic. Traffic. Good, Dani. Good. And the next word, the last word, what is that? Fabric. Fabric. So, how you have to split this word? F-A-B. Fabric. R-I-C. Rick. Right? Fabric. Fabric means what? Cloth. Okay. It may be cotton, silk, wool. It's a cloth. Okay. Fabric. So, let's repeat the words again. The first sixth one is examines. 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 Right? The seventh one, occupation. Occupation. Say after ma'am. Occupation. Occupation. Right? And the eighth word is hammer. Hammer. And the ninth one, traffic. 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 And the 10th word is fabric. Fabric. Right? So we have 10 dictation words in this lesson. So we have done with that. Right? Okay. Now we move on to the second Roman letter. What is the second Roman letter here? Write the opposites form. So we are going to learn opposites now. Okay, children, sit right. So we move on to the second Roman letter, sit right. So we are going to learn opposites now, right? So opposites means what? Giving different meaning. Okay. So the first word, what is that? Different. Different. Opposite for different? Opposite for that is? What is given here? Same. S-A-M-E. Same. Opposite for different is? Same. S-A-M-E. Same. So easy, isn't it? Yes. Let's move on to the second word. What is that? Fast. Fast. Opposite for that? You're very fast. Opposite for that? Slow. Very good. S spelling for slow is S-L-O-W. Slow. Right? Fast. Slow. Good, Mithun. Yes. And we move on to the third one. What is that? Many. M-A-N-Y. Many. I have many chocolates. Opposite for that? I have only few chocolates. You used to say, isn't it? Yes. Many. Opposite for that? F-E-W. What is that? Few. What is that, children? Few. Yes. And I just want to ask you, shall we say, please add many sugar? Please add many sugar. If you want to add more sugar, can you say like that? Please add many sugar. Please add many salt. Tivashnavi, no. No, isn't it? You should not ask like that for sugar, salt, sand. Can we count sugar, children? Yes? Can we count sugar, salt, and all? Can anyone count that? No, we can't count sugar, salt, and all, isn't it? Yes, Avinish. Yes, we can't count that, right? So at that time, what you have to use, instead of writing many, you have to use more. Please add more sugar in my milk. Please add less salt. Okay. So instead of using many and few for uncountable things, for sand, salt, sugar, for these things you have to use more. Please add more sugar. Please add more salt. Okay, children? Yes? So opposite for more is less. Please add less sugar. I want less sugar. You should not say I want few sugar. Okay? Yes? Did you understand, children? Yes, for uncountable things, for sand, salt, sugar, you have to use more and less. Yes? Okay, so let's recap the words again. The first one, what is that? Different. Different. Opposite for different is same. Different, same. And the next one, fast. Fast. Opposite for fast is slow. S-L-O-W. Slow. And next, many, few. For countable things, you can use many and few. I have many pencils, I have many chocolates, I have many chairs. Okay. But uncountable things, for that you have to use more and less. Okay. More and less. Okay. So we have done with this. We have completed 2 Roman letters, right? Now we move on to third Roman letter. Vishnupriya ma'am will be continuing this. Over to Vishnupriya ma'am.
Thank you, Nachi ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev children, happy morning. Yes, I hope you all are enjoying the session. Yes. So today, Monday morning, very fresh and energetic, right? Hope you all had a very happy weekend. Yes or no? Had a happy weekend? Enjoyed your weekend? Nobody? Yes, ma'am. Nandika, superb. Very good, children. Very good. Okay, so today what you're learning lesson 4, classwork notes in English. Yes? Yes, sure I did. Mithun, super. Very good. Okay, children, very good. So, lesson 4. What is your lesson 4? People who help us, isn't it? So, lesson 4, classwork notes you're learning. So, dictation words and opposites is over. Now, we are moving to third Roman letter. Write the rhyming words for. So, what is this? Write the rhyming words for. So, you all very well know what is rhyming words, isn't it? So, what do you mean by rhyming words? Rhyming words are same sound words. isn't it? Rhyming words are same sound words. When you pronounce two words, it should have the same sound at the end, isn't it? So those words are said to be rhyming words. Now we will move to the first one. What is the first one? Pack. Pack. So what's the rhyming word given here? Sack. Pack. Sack. I want all my children to open your mouth and repeat after me. Okay, only then you can notice the same sound. Will you all do this? Yes? Okay. Pack. Sack. Can you give me any other rhyming word for pack? Apart from sack, can you give me any other word? Hack. Divashnavi Sai. Superb. Hack. Kishore, super. Rack. Yes. Superb children. Yes. Hack. Rack. Crack. That also I can give. Yes. Superb. Very good. Very nice children. See the second one. Second one it is tailor. Lack. Tack. Okay. Very good. You're giving so many words. Very good. Superb. So like this you can try for all the words. Okay. See the second word. Tailor. Tailor. So the rhyming word is sailor. Sailor. Tailor. Sailor. So any other word? Mailer. Somebody gave mailer. Yes, mailer is also a rhyming word for this. So the spelling can be different, but the sound should be same. Okay. Mailer, jailer, bailer, trailer. Yes, Lingesh. Trailer. Yes, very good. Superb children. So the spelling can be different and the sound should be same. That is the rule for rhyming words. Yes. So tailor, sailor. Tailor, sailor. Brinda, please stop what she is doing.
Please don't touch the screen, Brinda.
Brinda, don't touch the screen, ma, please. Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. The third one. Third one it is sick. Sick. What's the rhyming word given? Pick. Sick. Pig. So any other rhyming words? Tick. Yes, very good. Kick. Then click. Lick. Yes, children, superb. You're coming out with so many new words. Very good. Very nice of you. Yes, superb. So you can use these many words for this. Yes. Sick. Pick. Very good. Now see the fourth one. Feel. Feel. So the rhyming word is heal. Feel. Heal. So any other word? Yes, peel. Peeling the vegetables, isn't it? Peel. Seal. Yes, steal. Meal. Very good. Superb. So you can write the word as peel also. Yes. So feel. Heal. See the fifth one. Post. Post. So the rhyming word is host. Post. Host. Yes. Most. Roast. Ghost. Toast. Yes. Superb children. Very good. Awesome. Big round of applause to you all. Superb. Very well done. Superb children. So that's it for the rhyming words. We will quickly revise it again. Okay. So first one is pack, sack, tailor, sailor, sick, pick, feel, heal, post, host. Yes. Superb. Now we'll move to the fourth Roman letter. Fourth Roman letter is give one word for. Give one word for. So you know give one word is again you have to give the answer in only one word, isn't it? There will be a sentence or a word or a phrase given to you. You are going to give the meaning of that in single word. Yes. See the first one. Something packed into a box. So something is packed into a box. So how do we call that? You will say the something is packed into a box. Yes, you will say only the box. No, if something is packed into a box, you will say that as package. Package. I received my package. Yes. So what is that? Something packed into a box is called as package. So you have already learned the spelling in dictation words, isn't it? Package. P-A-C-K-A-G-E. Package. Yes. See the second one. A fast mail delivery system. A fast mail delivery system. Mails are again nothing but the letters. Okay. Here the mail can be documents or packages. So when you send through the postman, the letters, it takes almost 1 week to 10 days of time, isn't it? So when you wanted to send the documents or packages immediately, within 1 or 2 days, if you wanted it to reach, you use a fast delivery system, isn't it? And that fast delivery system is called as courier. Courier. Yes. C-O-U-R-I-E-R. Courier. A fast mail delivery system is courier. Yes, superb children. See the third one. To keep in order. To keep in order. So in single word, how can you say this? To keep in order means maintain. So something you wanted to keep in order, to maintain it properly. It means you maintain it properly. Yes. To keep in order means maintain. M-A-I-N, main. T-A-I-N, tain. You have to split the word and learn the spellings. Yes, children. Always spellings are very, very important. Learn the answers with correct spellings. Yes. To keep in order means maintain. Yes, we'll see the fourth one. Next slide, ma'am. Yes, fourth one is mail sent through the internet. Yes, mail sent through the internet. So we send through postman, that is letters, isn't it? Some of the letters we send through courier system. So some we send through internet, which reaches in fraction of seconds. Yes, if you send here, the next second the other person can see the mail, isn't it? So this is a very, very fast system. And how do we do that? Even courier, letters and all, we need person to deliver, isn't it? But mail through the internet, through the computer, you can, without any human, you can send the mail that reaches very, very fast. In fraction of a second, it reaches the other person. How? Through the internet. That is called email. So what E stands for here? Anyone know what E stands for? Yes, E stands for electronic. Electronic. You are seeing here E-mail, isn't it? So the full form of E is electronic. So you are sending the mail through the electronic device. Yes. So mail sent through the internet is called email. E-M-A-I-L. Email. Yes. Okay. See the fifth one, to hand over. To hand over. So the other word, what you can say for this? The other word for to hand over is deliver. The postman handed over the letters. That is also correct. So in another simple word, you can say like the postman delivered the letter. Yes. So to hand over means to deliver. D-E-L-I-V-E-R. Deliver. Yes. So only 5 sentences for give one word form. We'll quickly revise it. Yes, first one is something packed into a box is called package. A fast mail delivery system is courier. To keep in order means maintain. Mail sent through the internet means email. To hand over means deliver. Yes? Okay, children. This is for your classwork notes. Today we have learned 4 Roman letters. Okay, so the remaining Roman letters, we will do it in the next session. Now, over to Nachi ma'am.
Okay, children. So now we are going to.
Ma'am, I'm finished, ma'am. I am right in the class work note, ma'am. This
Superb, dear.
story.
Okay, very good. Let me share my screen. So now we are going to do a Google form on grammar topics. So let me share the link in the chat box. I want all my children to open that link and you are going to do it now, right? Yes, you have already done this, right? Okay, I have sent a link now. I want all my children to open. Did you get the link, children?
Yes, children, it is there in the chat box. Ma'am have sent a link in the chat box. Everybody go to the chat
Yes,
box. Click
okay.
the link. Click the link. You will see the questions.
Open. Okay, done. I want all my children to open that and ma'am is going to. Yes.
I finished, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Sajid, please go on mute everyone. So I hope you all have opened that link. So what is given first? You have to enter your name. Have to enter the name and you have to enter the class and section. Yes. Okay. And next. So ma'am is going to read the question. You are going to select the answers in the link. Okay, children? Yes. The first question is identify the nouns in each sentence. So you'll be giving 5 questions here, 1 to 5 questions. So you're going to read the sentence and you're going to find the nouns. Nouns, right? You know what is a noun, right? So noun is a naming word, right? So let's read the first question. Hockey is my favorite sport. Hockey is my favorite sport. So you have, and the options given are hockey, sport, and the C option is both A and B. Both A and B means both hockey and sport. Link is not opening, so no issue, dear. If it is not opening now, I will be sending this link in your class group. You can do at that time. Okay, so no problem. If it's not opening now, you can try it later. So those who can, yes, Ria, yes, I will send this link in the class group. Okay, just you listen to the questions. Okay, so the next question is we are going to a park. We are going to a park. So you are going to find the noun in this sentence. So the options given are B, park, and the last option is both A and B. So you have to select the correct option here. Okay, yes, and we move on to the third question. Ram and Sara play football. This is the question. Ram and Sara play football. So you have to find the nouns in this sentence. So the first option is Ram and Sara. The second option is football. And the third option, both A and B. Both A and B means both Ram and Sara and football. So if both the answers are correct, you have to choose the third option. Okay. Yes? Okay. And let's move on to the fourth question. This is my book. This is my book. So the options given are book, my, and both A and B. So you have to choose the correct option. Okay. Yes. And the fifth one, I'm going out for dinner. Kishore Kumar, it's not opening means no problem, dear. I'll send this link. Okay. You just listen. Yes. So I am going out for dinner. I'm going out for dinner. So you have to find the nouns. I'm telling for all my children, Jay, Kishore, and those who cannot open, no problem. We will send the same link in the class group. you will be getting that. You can fill at that time and you can submit that. Okay, children? Yes. So the fifth question is, I am going out for dinner. So what are the options given? I am out dinner. So you have to choose the correct option here. Okay. And the next, we are moving to the next set of questions, that is 6 to 10. What you have to do now, you know, identify whether the noun in the bracket is common or proper noun. We have learned common and proper nouns, right? So a word is given inside the bracket. You have to read the word and choose whether the word is common noun or proper noun. So the first question, my dad took us to a restaurant. So which word is in the bracket? Restaurant. So the restaurant, is it common noun or proper noun? So you have to think of that and you have to choose the correct option. Okay. And the next question, Sam is younger than his brother. So which word is in the bracket? You have to see only the word in the bracket. Okay. Sam is the word, right? So you have to choose whether Sam is a common noun or proper noun, right? And the eighth question, the train will stop at the station. Which word is in the bracket? Station. So choose whether station is a common noun or a proper noun, right? The ninth one, don't be hurried, children. Ma'am is just reading you the questions. Okay. Yes. And the ninth one, John has a pony named Frank. So which word is given inside the bracket? Frank. So choose whether Frank is a common noun or proper noun. And the 10th one, Mimi is a great cat. So the word in the bracket is Mimi, right? So choose whether Mimi is a common noun or proper noun. Is that simple, isn't it? Yes? So, okay. Now let's move on to the third Roman letter. It is going to be very easy. See, for each common noun, you have to choose a proper noun for that. For example, city is given, right? City is a common noun, right? So you are going to write a proper noun that goes with it. So options are Chennai, India. Dharini, okay, superb. Chennai, India. So you have to write that. The next, girl. Options are Lara and mother. Choose that. Next, mall. You have to choose forum or Chromeput. Okay. And the next one, teacher. So teacher is a common noun. You have to choose a proper noun for that. For Miss Mala and principal are the options here. Okay. So you have to choose that. And the next one, drink. The options given are Maaza and water. You have to choose either Maaza or water. Okay. Yes. And now we move on to the fourth Roman letter. Okay, children? Yes. So the next what you're going to do is choose the opposite gender. For example, if I give boy, you have to write as girl. You have to choose girl for that, right? So what is the question given here? Horse. So horse, the opposite for gender for horse, you have to choose that. Is it mare or horses? Okay. And the 17th one is duck. The opposite gender for duck. What is that? Duckling or drake? You have to choose that. Yes. And we have learnt all these in the classes, right? We have learned this in the class. So the 18th one is vixen. So vixen. So the opposite gender for vixen, is it monkey or fox? You have to choose the correct one. Okay. And the 19th one, peahen. So which is correct? Peacock or rooster? You have to think that and you have to write. Choose that. Okay. And the last one, husband. The opposite gender for husband. What is that? You have to choose either mother or wife. Okay. So then finally you have to click submit. You will get you can view the score and you can send the scores here or in the class group. Okay, children, once you have finished this, you can send the marks in the class group. Yes, okay, I got marks for Mithun. Yes, Dikshita, good. Durga, Brizzy, 10. Okay. Dharini, 20, good. Nandana Shri, 17. Okay, superb children. So those who finish that, you can send them marks. Those who didn't finish, you can do this later and send the marks in the Google class. I'm sorry, in the class group. Janani 15, okay. Jashrita 17, okay. Ritika good. Vidat good. Ojashvi good. So try to see the answers. If you get low marks, so see the answers and don't repeat the mistakes again. Okay, correct your mistakes. For that only ma'am is sending you this link. So if you are doing mistakes, don't do the mistakes again. Okay, correct your mistakes. Janvika 15, okay, good. Aryan 18, good. Pragalpa, good. Ojashvi, Harshita, practice more, okay. Good, Harshita. And I got for Niralya, Teja, good. Yes, Sanashri, I will send the link. Okay, don't worry. I'll send the link in the class group.